Alright, what's going on YouTube? So right now, this is the setup. I got two SDR, well, four of them, four SDR 12s. I'm not sure which Scar 6.5s these are. I'll give you guys a good look at it. If you guys wanted to find it, just, I don't know, look at mine and see if you can find the exact one. I got two IX12s. I got a Dayton Audio passive radiator and one of Scar's good tweeters. We're gonna do a bass demo, so let's see what happens. So we'll be playing Coca-Cola. Down for sound. Alright. Oh, we got an ad. Yeah. Let me go ahead and just oh, never mind. We got two of them. That's great. Like my life. Alright. I'm gonna turn it up on the computer, and then I'm gonna slowly start turning it up on here.
Try me, then your score is trash. Run from your little house of sun, so sad that your first daughter captured. Gucci hot is boiling water, my pack just can't cross the border. Your girlfriend's a major snorter, but that bitch ain't worth a quarter. Don't give that another daughter. If you serve me, bang it shorter. Ounce of half or eight a quarter. Send my goons to do the slaughter. Also hard out from my father, take no shit got from my mother. Never snitched and never will. I put that on my way. Coca-Cola, yeah, about me anything. Yola, baking soda. Cocaine is my girl, fine. Water, damn, I got a
Alright. So if you guys want to see any more demos, let me know. I still have like a small clipping issue. I think I need to turn the gain down just a little bit more, but that's what I have. If you guys want to see hear any other songs, put it down in the comments below. If you like what you see, like it, and maybe I might just keep doing this, keep upgrading. There's always room to upgrade. I'm actually thinking about putting 4 EVLs in these boxes, and then getting a long amp, really big, powerful amp, putting a battery on it, another capacitor, and that should go crazy. So this is the what I'm using. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. I'm messing up a lot of my words. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we are out.